So I wasn't filming this like usual, but I got another hand drill ember. This right here is a new willow board I made. Let's see, hold on, find my old willow board. It's somewhere up here. Here it is. This old willow board, I've pretty much got no space left on it. Pretty much nowhere to put another drill hole, but that's my little ember. So this combination is this weeping willow and this kiwi drill. I got lots of kiwi. I got a kiwi tree in my backyard, and this is probably my second favorite thing to use for a hand drill. Probably only second to mullein. But this stuff is really fun, and I've got lots of it. It's actually pretty good on your hands as well. See, when you shave off the bark, it gets really nice and smooth. So I'm gonna actually go for an attempt here since I'm filming right now. Just gonna squish up that ember. Get that dust off. Let's see if I can get an ember with that. So, set up here if I can. I believe you can see that. About, can't get it to stand. Yeah, I think you can see that. Just gonna move it a bit back. Okay, so let's go for another ember. This kiwi is actually fairly easy to use. It's a pretty good drill. Gonna start going down right away. Get all of that squeak out of it. And this stuff actually smells really nice. The kiwi. My board's moving so much. See if I got it there. Yeah, got it. That was actually quite a bit longer than I usually get my kiwi embers with, but that was because I was already so far into the board. Well, not really that far, but it's kind of hard to spin. If you notice at the start, lots of smoke. So, right there, got me little kiwi on weeping willow ember. Thanks for watching.